So today I'm about to show you how Excel AI can completely change the way you work and save you over 10 hours every single week, even if you don't consider yourself an Excel expert. What you're looking at right now is the end result. This dashboard used to take hours to build, formulas, pivots, cleaning data, fixing errors, all done manually. Now, most of this was created by simply telling Excel what I want. No advanced formulas, no memorizing functions, no stress. If Excel has ever made you feel slow, frustrated, or overwhelmed, this video is for you. Because the problem isn't that the Excel is too hard. The problem is that most people are still using Excel like it's 10 years ago. They're typing formulas line by line, they're Googling errors, they're rebuilding the same reports every week. Meanwhile, Excel AI users are finishing the same work in minutes. Let me show you something. This is where most people start: messy data, inconsistent formatting, broken formulas. This is usually the moment where people say, I'm just not good at Excel. But here's the truth: you don't need to be good at Excel anymore, you just need to know how to talk to it. Excel AI lets you say some things like, fix this formula, summarize this data, create a pivot table, build a chart, or explain what this spreadsheet does. And Excel actually understands you. That's the shift. You stop working inside Excel and Excel starts working for you. And this isn't some advanced, enterprise only feature. This is something regular users can start using right now. Students, creators, analysts, freelancers, business owners, anyone who works with spreadsheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to automate formulas without memorizing them, how to clean data instantly, how to generate reports faster, and how Excel power users are saving hours every week, even if you're a complete beginner. And here's what makes it even better. I'm not just doing to tell you what Excel AI can do. I'm going to show you what to click, what to type, and exactly what to say. So you can copy this workflow immediately. If you've ever thought there has to be a faster way, why does this take so long? I wish Excel could just do this for me. This is the faster way. So let's start from the beginning, why this matters, and how Excel AI actually fits into your daily workflow. Here's what you're able to do by the end of this video. Automate repetitive Excel tasks using AI so reports, formulas, summaries, and clean data happen in minutes instead of hours. These Excel AI automations alone save me over 10 hours every single week, and once you see how simple they are, you'll wonder why you didn't use them sooner. Let me show you exactly how power users do it. If you are a creator, analyst, freelancer, business owner, or office worker who uses Excel regularly, chances are you are still doing things manually that AI can automate instantly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to clean messy data automatically, generate formulas without memorizing them, summarize reports using AI, automate repetitive tasks, turn Excel into a smart assistant instead of a time sink. Let's start turning Excel into a true power tool. So trick number 1, instead of memorizing formulas, simply describe what you want. So for example, calculate total sales if quantity is in column B and price is in column C. Excel AI instantly generates the formula for you. And trick number 2, if your formula shows errors like NA or value, ask AI, for example, fix this formula and explain why it's broken. This saves massive debugging time. So trick number 3, paste messy text data and ask Excel to, for example, split names, format dates, standardize phone numbers, no formulas needed. Trick number 4, tell Excel AI to remove duplicates, trim spaces, and fix capitalization. Instant cleanup in one step. Trick number 5, instead of manually building pivots, ask AI. Ask AI to create a pivot table showing monthly sales by region. Excel builds it for you. Trick number 6, use AI to summarize trends. Summarize key insights from this sales data. Perfect for reports and presentations. Trick number 7, ask Excel AI to create a chart showing a revenue growth over time. No manual formatting needed. And trick number 8, instead of writing complex logic, ask create an if formula that flags sales below target. Excel writes it correctly every time. Trick number 9, if you need multilingual sheets, ask AI to translate column content instantly. Trick number 10, instead of filtering manually, you can say show only orders above $500 from last month. Excel filters automatically. Trick number 11, if there is inherited a messy file, ask AI. Explain what this spreadsheet is doing. Huge time saver for teams. Trick number 12, ask AI to build budget trackers, content calendars, expense reports from scratch in seconds. Trick number 13, ask AI to turn raw data into a dashboard view, so no design skills needed. Trick number 14, ask Excel AI forecast next month's sales based on past trends. Great for planning. And trick number 15, combine Excel AI with formulas or scripts to auto-update reports, auto-fill data, auto-generate summaries. This alone can save hours every week. So here are 6 pro tips Excel Power users swear by. First, always describe outcomes, not formulas. AI understands goals better than syntax. Then pro tip number 2, use AI explanations to learn formulas faster. It turns Excel into a learning tool. Pro tip number 3, combine AI with keyboard shortcuts. Automation plus speed equals maximum efficiency. Pro tip number 4, save AI generated templates for reuse. Build once, reuse forever. Pro tip number 5, validate AI outputs once, then trust the workflow. This avoids repeated checks. Pro tip number 6, use AI for documentations. Ask it to explain formulas for teammates. So just a quick recap. Today you learned how to automate Excel formulas, clean and format data instantly, summarize reports using AI, build dashboards and pivots faster, reduce manual work dramatically. These aren't advanced tricks. They're practical automations anyone can start using today. Excel doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming anymore. With AI built into your workflow, Excel becomes a smart assistant that works with you instead of slowing you down. Stop asking how to do it manually. You can start asking Excel what you want done. That one change alone unlocks massive productivity gains. If you consistently work with data, reports, and numbers, mastering Excel AI isn't an optional anymore. It's a competitive advantage. The sooner you adopt it, the more time you'll free up for creative, strategic, and high-value work. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you become a true Excel power user. If you want more Excel, AI, or productivity tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video. That's my quick take, and I'll see you on the next one.